Battles amongst adult eagles establish who holds the power, and here power means who gets food and who doesn't. So what can a low-ranking, powerless juvenile do if she isn't going to starve? She must grab any opportunity that presents itself before adults stake their claim. She tries to sneak in, unnoticed by the adults. But she's been spotted. The juvenile has done all the hard work, but her success is short-lived. She can't afford to give up just yet. The youngster may not be strong enough to fight for her fish, but other adults will. The adults' power games might just help her. Now is her chance. This isn't about the fish anymore. This is about one adult enforcing dominance over another. The reclaimed fish is enough to keep the juvenile alive for at least a few more days. But there's a long, hard winter ahead.